Okay, so let's go face down.
I have some like lower back stuff going on. Left hip flexor and left golfer's elbow.
Yeah. You definitely have this coming into that left shoulder.
Wait. Sorry. Go for it.
Fix the mask. Okay, here we go. Good. Perfect. On this side, face me. And straighten the bottom leg. Good. Okay, so you won't fall off on this, okay? All right, here. Okay. And just let that one kind of come up, shoulder. There we go. Beautiful. Lie your back. Excellent. Beautiful. Definitely, this is what feeds right down into that whole side, the arm, all the way down to the elbow. And we got this. Beautiful. Excellent. Okay, power's on.
All right.